Hello guys and welcome to Kumo Games YouTube channel. This is going to be my first video here on YouTube, and I just decided to show up what I play, what I collect, what I buy, and some of the cool stuff that I do, and I might you do too. So if you wanted to see what I got in the mail today, so keep watching. So the first package that I got on the mail is from a very good friend of mine. His name is Nostalgic Julius on Instagram. I buy from him a little pack of cards, random cards from Yu-Gi-Oh! So let's see what I get here, what he sent to me. So as you can see, this is a pretty good pack of cards. It cost me around like $8 or something like that. I don't remember very good. So this is the cards. So I'm gonna show what they look like. Actually, I'm going to say that the cards are in pretty good condition, and he actually sent me these card sleeves. So I'm gonna show the cards. So first of all, we got Magic Cylinder, Jam Defender, Dark Zebra, Hungry Burger. I love that card. I got Crab Turtle. I got Perfume of Sword. I got the Hamburg Receipt, Torture Oath. This actually is repeated. Command and Dance, Ceremonial Veil. I love this card. I got Blue Eyes Toon Dragon, Wing Weaver. I love this card too. I actually made a post on Instagram with those cards. Psychic Kappa. Love this card too. So old school. Look at that. Oh my god. It's not that strong, but it actually has that old school feeling. Spheros Lady. I thought that it was a man in the video game. Lighting Conger, Skull Mariner, Dream Sprite, Jingen Bekuden, Minar, I don't know, Kotodama, Board Soldier, Flash Selden, Karate Man, Wall of Shadow, Mariokutai. Pretty good artwork. I always loved it. Look at that. Magical Labyrinth, Convulsion of Nature, Mechanical Snail, Firecracken, Guardian of the Throne Room, I think room, yes. Labyrinth Wall, Manga Rerun, Pinged Knife, Dancing Fairy. Look how so cute. Wither Report. I love some meme that I watch on Google. I really like it. Pure Mermaid, Giant Germ, Mushroom Man, Amoeba, Rhythm Baby. It actually has that black because I added to my zombie deck. This is one of my favorite zombie. Humanid Worm Drake. I got 3. Yes. I love that card. Regal. And last but not least, Bubonic Vermin. So that was basically the things that I got from him. I will leave the link below of his Instagram, so you can follow and buy something that I have. So let's go into another package. Well, this package I bought it in eBay, and it's the Pegasus deck. So the cards are in Spanish, which is my first language. I don't know if you're going to understand the names in Spanish, but I just only going to pass the cards so you can see. And for the last item that I buy, it's something that I really wanted a long time. It's ta-da! It's Balloon Fight. This is one of the e-reader games that come in little cards that you pass on the e-reader and they charge in your Game Boy, and you can play as long as you don't reset your game. I will explain in another video with more detail about this. That's it. If you guys like this video, this is going to be my first video. Well, it was my first video, and please forgive my English, it's not that good. I'm just a little bit nervous because it's my first video, but I will get up better and better with the time. Please subscribe, support me, follow me on my social media. I will leave the links below, and for the next time, bye.